5, 6 guys in the truck. Tony or someone like me, they can. Let's go.
I gotta get some bait. I mean, none of these have been empty out. I don't have any with me.
Well, so much for getting that camera. Bait got hit here and didn't send him any messages. He's flipping out.
He's taking pictures now.
Yeah, just throw some bait in there. I'll just take one bill. All I need is one bait.
That's a good print there.
What's going on? Are you back there with the end? What's it looking like? Because I can't hear him on the radio at all.
It's a little bear.
I gotta catch him. Hey. Try. You hear him in there?
Yep.
Barely.
Oh yeah.
That's not.
Your dog?
No.
Your bullets, Curt. You got him more or just these 6?
That's correct.
I'm gonna get in there. I think this bear keeps bailing out of the tree or something. Cracks treeing again, so I'm gonna try to either get Jabbo to him or deal is. There's a there's a handheld radio in that bag that's on the floor with the helmet in it. Give it to me and we can just video running. You guys stay at the truck. I'll you get that bird truck down. Yep. Find that handheld? Yep. Find the camera? Find it? Big block radio. Can't miss it really.
up, boys! Get him up! Get him up! Get him up, Charlie! Good boy!
Number 1, ID 1.
None of them is going east. But I got a big question mark there now. I don't really know where the hell to go.
Gravel road.
They both run up the road, but we're walking, checking the road, and I found the track, leaving the road, and we put Riley back on it, and Canyon, and then Ramsey later. And I got back in on the Oak Ridge Trail, and they came to the trail there, and they had the track there. It was a nice track, but I think it's still just walking. Must be cold trail.
Big Canyon tree by himself.
That should have brought it.
Did Arrow cross yet?
Why I left over?
That's where the other dog's in there.
You were in front of Grizz and Josh.
There goes.
There it is, right there.
Just crossed the road there. Very big.
Yeah, I seen it there.
You like it? We gotta leave. Tony.
Na, 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 na.
Watch, man. It was right. Did it not look decent?
Chris and I drove up, met up with Dion and them in the woods. The bear was in the tree, halfway up the tree, probably not even halfway up. Dogs were all on it, and the bear came down, swatting at the dogs. Dion and I approached on the side. I was able to take a clear shot at the bear right through the shoulder and ended up dropping the bear. Once again, thank you to Outback, because I couldn't have done it without their help. They did an amazing job.